Welcome to the 10 Minutes Gold Mine, where every book gives you a treasure of knowledge in just 10 minutes. The Plant Paradox: The Hidden Dangers in Healthy Foods That Cause Disease and Weight Gain, by Stephen R. Gundry. Introduction. In The Plant Paradox, Dr. Stephen Gundry challenges the long-standing belief that plant-based foods are universally healthy. Through years of research and clinical experience, Gundry argues that many foods widely considered healthy, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, contain natural toxins, particularly a protein called lectins. These lectins, found in many plant foods, are not only hard for humans to digest but also have the potential to cause a range of health issues, including digestive problems, inflammation, and even chronic diseases like obesity and autoimmune disorders. The book emphasizes that while lectins serve as a defense mechanism for plants, their effects on the human body can be devastating if consumed in excess. Gundry doesn't just point out the problem but provides a solution in the form of a diet designed to avoid or reduce lectins while promoting healthier alternatives. His aim is to help people understand how to improve gut health, reduce inflammation, and achieve better overall health by making informed dietary choices. Part 1. Understanding lectins and their impact on health. Lectins are a type of protein found in nearly all plant-based foods. While they are not inherently harmful in small amounts, many people experience significant health issues when they consume them regularly. Gundry explains that lectins have a natural purpose for plants, to protect them from being eaten by insects and animals. However, for humans, consuming foods high in lectins can lead to a range of problems. When lectins enter the human body, they can bind to carbohydrates on the surface of cells, which can disrupt cell function. This disruption can lead to what is known as leaky gut syndrome, a condition where the lining of the intestines is damaged, allowing harmful substances to leak into the bloodstream. This in turn triggers inflammation and an immune response that may contribute to diseases like arthritis, autoimmune disorders, and even cancer. Gundry also explains that lectins can disrupt the body's ability to absorb nutrients properly, causing further digestive issues. Common symptoms of lectin intolerance include bloating, gas, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. People with chronic health problems may find that these symptoms persist or worsen as they continue to eat foods rich in lectins. Part 2. The Myth of Healthy Grains and Legumes. One of the most significant claims in the plant paradox is the idea that grains and legumes, often promoted as health foods, may not be as beneficial as once thought. While grains and legumes are high in fiber and protein, Gundry explains that they also contain high levels of lectins. For example, beans, lentils, wheat, and other grains contain lectins that are difficult for the human body to process, leading to digestive distress and inflammation. Whole grains, which are commonly recommended for heart health and digestive wellness, are especially problematic because they are packed with lectins. While whole grains contain beneficial fiber, Gundry suggests that the lectins within them can create more harm than good, particularly for those suffering from leaky gut or autoimmune issues. Furthermore, many methods commonly used to prepare grains and legumes, such as boiling, soaking, or sprouting, are not enough to completely neutralize lectins. As a result, these foods may continue to cause harm even after being prepared for consumption. Gundry's recommendation is to avoid grains and legumes altogether, especially for individuals who are struggling with health conditions like autoimmune diseases, obesity, or digestive problems. He points out that the health benefits attributed to these foods might not outweigh the damage done by their lectin content. Instead, Gundry suggests focusing on lectin-free alternatives that offer more significant health benefits without the potential for harm. Part 3. The Hidden Dangers in Fruits and Vegetables. While fruits and vegetables are generally considered pillars of a healthy diet, the plant paradox argues that some of these foods are not as beneficial as they appear. For example, many fruits and vegetables, particularly those from the nightshade family, contain high levels of lectins. Tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants, though rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, are also packed with lectins that can cause inflammation and joint pain, especially for people with autoimmune conditions. The book explains that while these foods may have some health benefits, their lectin content can lead to significant health issues for certain individuals. Gundry specifically mentions how some of the most popular vegetables, like tomatoes, peppers, and potatoes, can trigger joint pain, digestive issues, and even inflammation in the body. This is especially true for people with conditions like rheumatoid arthritis or other inflammatory diseases. However, not all fruits and vegetables are harmful. Gundry encourages readers to focus on low-lectin options such as leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale, and certain fruits like avocados and berries. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants without the inflammatory effects of lectins. He also offers practical advice for how to prepare and cook fruits and vegetables to reduce their lectin content, such as peeling, removing seeds, or cooking them thoroughly. Part 4. The case for a lectin-free diet. A major part of the plant paradox revolves around the idea of eliminating or reducing lectins from the diet. Gundry presents a clear case for why adopting a lectin-free diet can improve overall health and prevent chronic conditions. He suggests that by eliminating lectin-heavy foods, such as grains, legumes, and certain vegetables, people can experience a range of health benefits, from improved digestion and reduced inflammation to weight loss and a decreased risk of disease. Gundry outlines a 21-day plan designed to help readers transition to a lectin-free diet. This plan includes meal suggestions, grocery shopping tips, and recipes that are free of lectins while still providing the necessary nutrients to thrive. He emphasizes that while eliminating lectins can be challenging at first, the long-term health benefits make the effort worthwhile. Gundry also highlights that a lectin-free diet can help people regain control over their health, especially those who struggle with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, chronic pain, or obesity. The book stresses that a lectin-free diet is not about avoiding all plant foods altogether but instead being mindful of the types of plant foods consumed. Gundry advocates for focusing on healthy fats, grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, and low-lectin vegetables to support overall health. These foods, he suggests, can help reduce inflammation, improve gut health, and support weight loss. Part 5. Why the plant paradox matters. The plant paradox provides a fresh and controversial perspective on plant-based eating. Gundry's message is clear: not all plant foods are good for everyone. By shedding light on the hidden dangers of lectins, Gundry challenges readers to rethink their food choices and focus on what truly nourishes their bodies. While many people may find it difficult to accept the idea that foods like beans, whole grains, and tomatoes can be harmful, Gundry's approach is grounded in science and research. He presents a compelling argument for why people should pay closer attention to how their bodies react to certain foods, particularly those high in lectins. For some individuals, eliminating or reducing lectin-rich foods may lead to dramatic improvements in health. However, Gundry's claims are not universally accepted by all experts, and some may find his arguments against lectins extreme. Despite this, the plant paradox has sparked a conversation about the role of plant foods in the modern diet and opened up new ways of thinking about what constitutes a truly healthy food. Conclusion. In conclusion, the plant paradox offers a groundbreaking approach to understanding the relationship between food and health. By focusing on the impact of lectins, Gundry presents a new perspective on plant-based eating that may be eye-opening for many. The book provides both a scientific explanation and a practical solution to reduce the harmful effects of lectins and promote better health. Have you ever experienced digestive issues or inflammation after eating certain plant-based foods? Do you think lectins could be a hidden cause of these problems? Have you tried eliminating lectins from your diet, and what was your experience? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. That's it for today's 10 minutes gold mine. If you found value in this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep mining for more golden knowledge. See you in the next one.